grinder, Bosch. We all know how to work a grinder now, so that's good. Come with a little box, this one little fancy box. It's kind of cool. Hopefully this little hex key will tighten the guard up a bit. Nope. Okay, it's a bit loose. Maybe a smaller hex might do it. Smaller again. No. Try again. This one might do it. Going anywhere in a hurry. Come with the safety guard already on it. Nice. Better lock button again on the side than Ryobi. A bit of a quick product test with the new Bosch 5-inch. Pretty good. Like more power, I think it felt like, than the Ryobi 5-inch that I had. And if you're big fans of the show, you remember I destroyed that. I also destroyed a 9-inch DeWalt that I still have out back, but I mean, to get the cord fixed probably costs about as much as this, so you know. Anyway, let's have a shot with this.